दादर पारसी कॉलोनी, मुंबई का सबसे अंडररेटेड, ब्यूटीफुल और शांत इलाका।
और यहाँ आके इफ यू डू नॉट एक्सप्लोर एवरीथिंग पारसी, वेल देन बस अक्कल न थी।
How many Parsi colonies we have in Mumbai?
There are many. खुशूबाग, जरबाग, गोदरेज बाग, दादर पारसी कॉलोनी, टाटा कॉलोनी, बांद्रा, अंधेरी, बेराम बाग, रुस्तम बाग।
Oh, that's an ambassador. लोग अभी भी चलाते हैं ambassador car.
You know Parsis and the love for cars, na?
Yeah, I know, right?
So that is true. We aren't that many Parsis left. It's a lot of community.
और इसलिए आज मैं आई हूँ मिलने एक सच्ची पारसी नाहिद साइरिसी से।
पर एक शर्त पर कि सारे पारसी स्लैंग सीखने पड़ेंगे, नहीं तो ये से निकल।
Most slang languages MC and BC.
Means गालीज तो is like it's part of the language. It's a love language.
और आज के तेरे गली में के इस एपिसोड में ये मुझे घुमाने वाली यहाँ की अनएक्सप्लोर्ड कॉलोनी, आइकॉनिक कैफेज और अपनी मम्मी का घर।
So that's the patrel. That's your chips from your chicken and chip.
कभी ब्रेकफास्ट में मैंने इतना बड़ा चिकन नहीं खाया।
Oh wow, धनसा के कचूबर.
वाओ। बट ना पारसी एवर बी ऑन डाइट।
Now it's like YOLO भाई. कभी भी झाड़ गिर जाएगा, कभी भी कुछ हो जाएगा. At धनसा काके मैं मरूंगी भाई. You know that behind us is our Parsi colony की अग्यारी. अग्यारी translates to fire temple. Nobody other than Zoroastrians are allowed in there, which is why we can't go in there. And when we pass away, you know, we are not buried, we are not burnt. We are just left there, basically given back to nature. I follow quality because I keep seeing y'all. मैंने subscribe किया है because I get घंटा each time you all put a new video, which is almost every day. वेलकम टू माय इलाका। कितना खूबसूरत है ना।
वेरी द पारसी कॉलोनी सो ब्यूटीफुल।
इट इज। हैव यू सीन माय हेयर? मैंने कर्ली चेज के लिए मेरे बाल भी कर्ली करवाए हैं।
कर्ली टेस्ट आने के लिए कर्ली बाल
है ना, वो तो जरूर थी। कम ऑन लेट्स गो।
लेट्स गो। एंटायर पारसी कॉलोनी कितनी प्रिटी है।
बहुत ग्रीन है ना, बहुत ग्रीन।
इट्स वेरी ग्रीन।
ज्यादा लोग देख मत लेना ये एपिसोड, ओके? नहीं तो हमारी पूरी हरियाली चली जाएगी।
नहीं, ये दिखाने के लिए तो हम यहाँ पर आए हैं।
हम लोग खाना दिखाने के लिए आए हैं बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली पारसी कम्युनिटी में अगर आप कोई भी पारसी के घर आओगे, पानी से पहले वो लोग आपको फूड ऑफर करेंगे।
हाउ इज इट टू ग्रो अप इन अ पारसी कॉलोनी?
आई एम श्योर इट्स लाइक एनी अदर प्लेस, बट हैविंग सेड दैट वी आरंट दैट मेनी पारसीज लेफ्ट। इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ कम्युनिटी। एवरीवन नोज एवरीवन। I remember हम लोग पार्टी करके आते थे and all these enclosed, there are a lot of enclosed colonies also, and my friends auntie who lived not सगा नहीं, तो सामने से बैठ के उसकी मम्मी को बोलती थी, तेरी बेटी आज 1 बजे आई, तेरी बेटी आज 2 बजे आई, and I'm like thank God I live here because it's not that enclosed.
So movies में तो मैंने बहुत पारसीज देखे हैं, रियल लाइफ में मैंने कभी एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है।
इतने एग्जैजरेटेड होते हैं ऑनेस्टली इन मूवीज, लाइक नोबडी टॉक्स डिकरा एनीमोर।
मेरे दीकरे का खोराक भूल गया।
Really, nobody says dikra?
No, I'll call you dikra if you want me to, but nobody uses that slang anymore. वो असल के टाइम के पारसीज यूज करते थे। My mummy also doesn't call me dikra. It's a thing of like the past.
So like how in Sindhi also they exaggerate.
Yeah, वड़ी साई अब लोग बोलते हैं, कोई बोलता है। It's exactly that.
तो ऐसे जो मूवीज में दिखाते कैरम खेलते हैं, एक अंकल
100-year-old बुढ़े पारसी लोग नहीं खेलते। My granny who is 96, she still reads like her monthly Reader's Digest, तो आना ही आना है। Again, films में आधा ऊपर सब exaggerated होता है।
busting all the myths today.
Yes.
चलो now I want to see a Parsi home. Take me to your mom's house.
Okay. हमारे पारसी लोगों के पैर बहुत तगड़े होते हैं because like half our buildings don't have lifts. This building that we're going into also has like stairs like that. तो ऊपर जाके ऐसे लगेगा मर जा रहे हो. So catch your breath.
आज सारा जिम
काम आएगा, देखेंगे काम आ रहा है।
टेस्ट हो रहा है यहाँ पर फिटनेस का। यहाँ पे
Yes. That's Nupur, that's my mommy, and welcome home.
is this the house you were born?
No, actually, the house I was born in is under redevelopment.
Okay.
But it was very cute.
So ये घर में पारसी elements क्या है?
खाली ये है पारसी एलिमेंट दिस टेबल
Even like these asal ke tables like that, chutku, you can this.
But ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो आज भी common रहती है कि ये तो हमें हमारे घर में रखना
दिया
है.
इज देयर वी मस्ट हैव अ दिया 24 आवर्स
Tell me, what is this big debate मेरी माँ और मेरे बीच में? What does this look like to you?
नो आई used to call mouse
I was like, no, ma, the polar bear.
This house is very pretty and bright. There's a lot of positive vibe.
My mommy is a baker and she's
Really?
made some yum chocolate rum cake. So we will have some and then we will
Learn some Parsi slangs. Chalo. Where are the cakes?
cake.
Cakes.
in the fridge I'm not going to take it out.
अच्छा, you want to see? मेरी माँ ने पूरे 2 घर के कबर्ड यहाँ रखे. चाहिए कोई किसी को कपड़े? Please tell me. Sneak peek, lot of cupboards I know. ये ओरिजिनल है, ये लिनन कबर्ड है, ये सब चले जाएंगे जब भी घर नया बन जाएगा. Simple. Okay?
It's very pretty. Is that
Yeah, it's a painting. Somebody painted it and sent it over. Come on, my massive balcony.
मुंबई में बालकनी किसको नसीब होती है?
Hey, shut up, you're my sarcasm boy.
Really
So my neighbors from across and we sit and have chai together all the time.
कि आज खाने में क्या बनाया है?
और actually हम लोग नीचे फेंकते हैं
रस्सी? वो हाँ, मेरे भी पुराने घर में फेंकते थे.
Yeah, we do because who wants to come? किसी को चढ़ना भी नहीं है 2 floors यहाँ पे.
Ani, tell us how are Parsi weddings like? Is it anything different?
So the boy and the girl sit opposite each other. There's a white cloth. Then the Dasturjis do their prayers and all that.
Dasturji is the priest.
There's a dhaga which goes round. Okay. And the 7th round,
Each one with the guy and the girl are sitting opposite each other with a parda in the middle and we each have rice in our fist. And 7th round के बाद whoever throws the chawal on the person first
be the
wins.
dominating person.
अच्छा, dominating. मैंने डाला था and I can assure you I am positively dominating.
तूने डाला था वो priest took her hand and made her throw it. And then they say the marriage is over. You kiss each other and finish.
So I can't wait to eat this delicious.
Yeah, it's actually quite delicious. She's very famous for her chocolate rum cake in the colony.
Do you take orders, auntie?
She does. But she does everything on her own. बर्तन भी खुद धोएगी. I tell her, जब भाई एक dishwasher डालो यार.
बर्तन में नहीं धोती.
टीना अभी कभी आएगी, चलेगा ना, मैं कर ही लेती हूँ. And then by the end of like 7-8 o'clock, मैं इतनी थक गई. अब obviously थक गई यार.
So
Naturally.
now I don't take many orders. Earlier I used to take many orders, just limited, few only, bas.
I'm going to order this.
Actually now I to keep it out for an hour. Then it's like soft and like you taste it.
Do you have to tell us the recipe for this? No? No. It's like a secret. It's like, no, I won't tell you the recipe.
I say no to everybody.
Get it
It'll go with me.
अजय ते तेने बहु वार छे भाई.
But then you have to teach Nohid, na?
And Nahid has got no time.
बोलती रहती मोटी हो गई, मोटी हो गई, मोटी हो गई, and खिलाती रहती है. That's mummy.
Auntie, you were telling us about the Parsi food. घर पे क्या खाते हैं?
घर पे मैं क्या खाती हूँ? दाल चावल, पाटिया. Patia is some made from tomatoes, fish. It goes with mora dal chawal.
Like yellow tuar dal, plain yellow dal with like ghee. कुछ तड़का नहीं.
No tadka.
And then you eat it with this prawn patia is generally what we eat, but you can have fish.
Singa, bangan. That goes with that. Bland dal chawal becomes tikha dal chawal.
So what is your house ka signature dish?
Actually, she used to make a really good ribbon rice. She still makes.
So boring now to cook for one person. So ribbon rice is what? Layers of rice with chutney, patia made from prawns, and top layered with white sauce and cheese. And then you bake it in the oven.
Actually, we should do a reel on that.
I don't want to make any reels.
I'm like, you're an influencer now.
No bullshit.
Now she's an influencer. She has to make it.
Auntie, you're more famous then.
That's true. More famous than me for sure.
I can't wait to eat
I
this.
also can't wait. तुम लोग बातें करते रहो. And it's damn soft, okay?
But I didn't make your Black Forest, sir. I was too tired.
You make more cakes?
Yeah, I make chocolate, pineapple, Black Forest, chocolate walnut, chocolate raisin.
So indulging.
I've been doing it since the last 44 years. But I have not expanded, just little.
Because of passion.
Yeah, just by passion, yeah.
So now since I have both the Parsis with me, I want to learn the typical Parsi slang but Bombaya style. The first one is और बच्ची क्या scene?
चल बोल तू challenge.
राड़ा हो गया.
Oh, that's a toughie, yeah. She will not know what rada हो गया.
I know means
Is झगड़ा.
Jagra. Most slang languages MC and BC.
Actually, you know Parsis, you know that, na? No. Really? Like all?
Males, each and every sentence not there without MC and BC.
Actually, means galis though is like it's part of the language. I'm not just saying it. It's the love language. So राडा हो गया एक ले मारा मारी
दिमाग खराब हो गया.
भेजू खाई
कल्टी मार.
चल निकल
रोकड़ा.
अल्दी
एक नंबर.
Ek number no.
That's how a Parsi would say. They would not just say एक नंबर. They would say एक नंबर की some गाली ही है. And that's like कितना प्यार से बोला. It's like that. Yeah, then that person loves you.
वाट लग गई.
लागी गई.
Lagi gayi.
बहुत गर्दी है.
भरेलो हो तो बहु भरेलो तो.
I don't know.
बेजा मत पका.
हाँ, बेजा ना खा.
पतली गली से निकल.
चल यहाँ से निकल.
So one Parsi word that every Parsi uses.
Bad question to ask. Not Dikra, let's just say. Yeah, everybody. Kem che?
Came che. That was so much fun.
She said that was so much fun through the मतलब खत्म हो गया. अच्छा, that was so much fun. Okay. Okay, Mamu, thank you so much. Love ya, and we're taking the cake with us. Okay. Now I'm taking you to a damn cute little place called Parviz Hall, okay? And you're going to get to eat some yummies.
Finally, we gotta eat some food.
કેમ છો? So હું એક દાળની પૂરી, એક પતરેલ ને ફાળચું છે. એક ફાળચું please. Yes.
What is parchu?
Chicken fried with chips and boil it.
Oh wow, it looks very delicious. दाल पोड़ी. Parsis are full शौकीन ना खाने के. I mean जितना ही मैं मेन्यू में देख रही हूँ अंकल मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है. It's like normal restaurant में. What is like keema patties? What is corn chivda?
कौन चिवड़ा था? कौन चा my mom's favorite. It's like a normal चिवड़ा.
यहाँ का सबसे बेस्ट सेलिंग कौन सा है?
दाळनी पूरी.
This is our signature item. It goes in bulk daily. Thank you.
Thank you.
So that's the patrel. That's your chips from your chicken and chip.
So good.
It's like खट्टा मीठा.
कभी ब्रेकफास्ट में मैंने इतना बड़ा चिकन नहीं खाया.
So now you know हमारे पारसी में जो हम लोग thread ceremony करते हैं, where you make your kasti, which is the thread that you tie, and your sadra, which is like a vest, malmal vest. They actually make them here. बहुत कम जगह है पूरी दुनिया में जहाँ पे ऐसे बनाते हैं. ये एक जगह. आ जाओ.
So Parsis में भी thread ceremony होती है? Like we do it in Hindus?
Yeah, of course we have. Before like 7 to 9 के बीच में, and before the woman hits puberty is when you need to.
The thread ceremonies of women.
Both males so obviously they don't get the period, but we women do. So we have to make sure we do our navjots.
This is called Parsi Sadra. It's a religious item. We Parsis wear this along with a kasti. It's like a nadi, you know.
So Baman Irani play carom. He was wearing this and the kasti.
Yeah.
This is called kasti. On the waist we tie up. After 7 years, they are 9 years. Navjot ceremony is performed. After where we wear this.
I had no idea Parsi culture में इतना कुछ है. This all different.
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो किसी को पता भी नहीं होती है. Unless of course you're from the community. One day सबको पता चलेगा.
I think today is the day. So अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
अभी I can show you the Agyari, which is a fire temple from the outside.
Okay.
You know that behind us is our Parsi colony ki Agyari. Agyari translates to fire temple. Nobody other than Zoroastrians are allowed in there, which is why we can't go in there.
Can't go inside.
No. Basically, there is a fire that is burning since centuries. It never goes out.
Okay, is that the reason इसको fire temple?
Possibly, maybe because they don't want outsiders to, I can't say taint, that's also not the right way, but they want to keep it within the culture and within the religion only.
So what is something that we don't know about Parsi culture?
Do you know that we Parsis love dogs? Meaning love dogs matlab to another extent only. And when we pass away, you know, we are not buried, we are not burnt. We are just left there for basically given back to nature. Like before we are taken away, the body is taken away. A dog comes and the Dasturji, which is our priest, makes sure that the dog comes, sniffs to make sure that the soul has passed on, and then the body is taken away. The Zoroastrian religion comes through, we come from nature, we give back to nature. That's the whole philosophy.
तो ऐसे कोई है कि अभी न्यू जनरेशन पारसीज है वो फॉलो नहीं करते हैं?
ना ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. But I think this is the one thing a lot of women, because nowadays there aren't that many Parsis left. So us women are marrying outside the community, and they're like, at least give us, don't make my husband go into the fire temple, but at least let me go into the fire
So but
temple.
now, are they allowed, the women that marry outside the culture?
I think it depends. Some people say no, some people are more open to it. Very controversial topics we are discussing. I'm hopefully not going to be debarred from this religion.
I want to know, how do people, I mean, if somebody is entering the temple, how would they know that it's not a Parsi?
I think we look a certain way. That's the first thing. Secondly, more importantly, this is my Dadar Parsi colony, so they know me. We've grown up here. From the age of like whenever I could walk, I've gone in there. So everyone really knows everyone here.
How many Parsi colonies we have in Mumbai?
There are many. Khushubagh, Jarbagh, Godrej Bagh, Dadar Parsi colony, Tata colony, Bandra, Andheri, Beram Bagh, Rustam Bagh.
तो जैसे हिंदूज में भी have these दिवाली, होली, आप लोग में कौन से festivals मनाते हैं आप लोग?
Parsi New Year, Irani New Year. So Parsi New Year is अभी आएगा 15th of August इस साल. Irani New Year is normally equinox, so 21st March. हमारे 2 birthdays भी होते हैं. Parsi birthday and normal birthday, date that you were born. So every leap year it goes 1 year back, 1 day back. Every leap year it goes 1 day back.
Okay, so when was your birthday?
So I'm 44 today, not yet. 43.
You don't look like.
I don't like why.
पारसी न्यू ईयर्स पे एक्चुअल में क्या करते हो?
We just eat and make merry. पहले हम लोग dances and kids will do it. All this kids का. हम लोग भी जब भी छोटे थे, we used to do all the fashion show and dance and all that. But other than that, Irani New Year, like we set a table up. There are lots of treats, sweets, and there are some 7-8 things that you have to put. Salad होता है, fruit होता है. Every year there's a color.
तो since you have grown up here, where did you study?
That's my school actually.
Where can we go and see?
We can just walk there. आ जाओ. And that's my school.
So is it like a Parsi school?
It was a Parsi school, but everyone is allowed. So essentially this school was started so many years ago, free of cost for Parsi girls. It's no secret कि मैं बहुत बातें करती हूँ. I'm not kidding. Every week I would be नीचे principal के office में almost on a daily basis because मैं बहुत बातें करती थी class में. Teachers were like fed up. But काम आया यार.
वो ही आज
तो से ये पैसे कमा रही हो. So yeah, they'll be like, हाँ ठीक है, अच्छा हुआ इतने. हम लोगों ने बंद नहीं किया उसका बात करना.
तो एक बात बताओ, आपने जब गाना शूट किया था मौला मेरे मौला, so were you in school or were you in college?
I just passed out of college. Hippe Pure was when I was just finishing school. Piya Basanti happened when I just graduated 17, and then the rest is history.
But now I'm also very hungry.
Chal, I'm going to take you to a really cute cafe. One of the only cafes we have is called Cafe 792. Very Instagrammable cafe, and you get some really nice stuff there.
Oh, that's an Ambassador. लोग अभी भी चलाते हैं Ambassador car.
You know, Parsis and the love for cars. That is really true.
Which car do you used to have?
We used to have a Fiat. So like I said, this is a very cute, quaint little cafe. It's very sweet. Oh wow, Dhansa ke kachubar.
Wow.
It's my favorite. Yeah, I can't eat so much, yeah. So I will not. I don't want to waste. This is too much.
You want to have some इतना सा?
इतना सा मतलब कितना खाई. मेरा चटनी अंडा पैटीज भी बनाई है. You all should have tried that घर का चटनी अंडा पैटीज. It's like a patties and basically it's like chutney. There's like boiled anda, then there is aloo, then there is rava, and then it is fried. Oof. Clearly, I can never be on a diet.
But can a Parsi ever be on diet?
When I was younger, I think I was. Now I can't be bothered. Now it's like YOLO भाई. कभी भी झाड़ गिर जाएगा, कभी भी कुछ हो जाएगा. At least धनसा खा के मैं मरूंगी भाई.
धनसाक होता क्या है?
Basically दाल, brown rice, caramelized, जो कांदे से बनता है. You actually just brown your rice and put the rice, normal white chawal, ubala हुआ. Will turn into this.
We have something similar in Sindhis also. We call it bhuga chawal. The caramelized onion mixed with rice and brown. Yeah.
चलना तेरा कब आ रहा है? भूख लगी है. खाना. You should eat the veg and the non-veg and see what the
Yeah, I'll just see the difference. What is the difference? So you have traveled across the globe. कहाँ घूमे हो?
काफी घूमी हूँ. You know, frankly, I hate traveling now. I've come to a point where I'm so tired. The whole packing and unpacking is so tedious. Okay, wrong word. Hate is a very strong word, but I never thought I would say this, but I love home. So I love being with my dogs. And we built a small little house outside of Bombay, जो रुस्तमर में बहुत जाते हैं.
Rustam, your husband.
Yeah.
So where did you meet him?
In the colony. But he's very young. When we were growing up, we were never in the same group.
Then how did you even meet him?
Because we knew each other, and then I think once you hit a certain age, oh, tera aa gaya.
Finally.
Oh, I forgot these kebabs are so like to die for, like sachi.
Let's do a taste. This is really delicious. So telling us about your story.
When you're 18 and like 25, there's a big gap. But when you're like 30 and 37, there's not a big gap.
It's the same but different.
Because by then you are also so much more mature. Men to anyways, I think mature little slower than us women.
Controversially true.
ये डालना ही डालना.
How did he propose you?
There was more like, you want to get married? I was like, क्या कभी ना कभी तो कर लेंगे. He's like, okay. Then his family only said, what are you all waiting for if you really are interested in getting married? And we said, actually, what are we waiting for? So we found out that the next possible date was next year. So हाँ बोल दिया, खत्म. Went and asked. We also don't know how, when, where. And 10 साल हो गए. So Kulaba Agyari holds the maximum people. You all also have very big fat weddings.
Yeah,
हमारे
very.
उसमें भी very big fat weddings.
200 people तो bare minimum आते ही हमारी शादियों में.
I meant like 1500.
What? 1500? Is there no culture? There are only closed ones, so there has to be like 1500.
No, I think if we ran away, we would have called nobody. But we didn't run away.
Why?
In hindsight, we could have ना. We would have saved so much money. But ऐसे लोग हैं ही नहीं ना हम लोग. So we said एक बारी शादी करनी है. तो एक बारी शादी होगी. That much I can. I तो tell him also कि भाई the whole point of अगर God forbid divorce भी हो, who has the time to date somebody in today's generation? वो भी online तो chance ही नहीं. ऐसे चुपचाप ये जो है बहुत अच्छा है.
How did you get into movies?
So I come from a very typical Parsi family. My father was Irani. Iranis are damn strict, okay? My father was like, चुपचाप go do MBA. अमेरिका जाके MBA करके आ, ये सब नहीं करते हैं. And then the money started coming. He said, oh अच्छा इसमें भी पैसे कमाने का है. I was like, just yeah. And then yeah, I mean we are not from the film fraternity, nobody. So he didn't understand only any of this. आज भी मुझे पूछोगे मैं YouTube पे क्या मेरा YouTube channel है पता है?
Really?
Yeah, you must go check it out. But अगर आप मुझे वो, I'll tell you, I'll link it with. I don't know how to use YouTube, but I get a lot. I follow quality because I keep seeing y'all. मैंने subscribe किया है because I get घंटा each time you all put a new video, which is almost every day. If this video hits 1 million, हम लोग जाके we are going to explore different parts of the world. Dubai से लेकर Maldives से लेकर आपको जहाँ पे भी जाना वो भी comment करके लिख देना. And we will make it happen. बस वही कि मेरी जिंदगी I'm saying कि कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता है. So I just take life as it comes. That's a very Parsi way of living also, you know. We live quite carefree. So don't take life too seriously because झाड़ गिर सकता है. Manual खुला हो सकता है.
Then who's a true Parsi?
Who loves everyone, who's very inclusive, who minds their own business.
किसी ने कभी कहा है you Kiara Advani looks like you?
Yeah, a lot of people say that. I just don't see it, man.
When we saw pictures,
Very pretty, yeah. It's a compliment. 40 साल की वो 20 साल की. I love it. I love it.
an apple pie. Ooh, okay.
Happy birthday to you. हम लोग कैसे काट? अरे yeah. Happy birthday, dear Kalichit. Yeah. Wow, it looks good, yeah. cheers.
सारे पारसी का सोने में से क्यों होता है? कॉन्ट्रैक्टर वाला सोडा।
मेरा सोने में भी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर हो गया शादी के बाद,
Contractor.
बिकॉज बहुत साल पहले वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स थे.
तो उस पे सोने में रख देते हैं.
Whatever the job was, they all turned into that.
That was so much fun.
It really was, yeah. And I'm so glad, you actually ate.
We come next time and eat more and explore more.
Yeah, because we've decided that there's so many and we have to go and we have to travel also so much. बाबा अभी तक तो लंबी हमारी बहुत लंबी क्या जर्नी है साथ में. दुबई, मालदीव्स, Seychelles, Sri Lanka. The world is our oyster, bhai. But thanks, guys. This was so much fun.
Much fun, Noi. Thank you. It was such a fun episode. Thank you so much. Yay.
Bye. 1 million, guys. 1 million. 1 million.